Dominant strategy. A dominant strategy is a strategy that provides a player with the highest possible payoff, regardless of what the other players do. If a player has a dominant strategy, they will choose it because it yields better or equal outcomes in all possible scenarios compared to any other strategy available to them. Key characteristics include: it is independent of the actions of the other player. It is always the best response, no matter what the opponents choose. A game can have no dominant strategy. One or both players may have dominant strategies. Let's explore the concept of a dominant strategy in game theory using the classic example of the prisoner's dilemma. Imagine two prisoners, prisoner A and prisoner B, who are being interrogated separately. Each prisoner faces two options. They can either stay silent or confess to the crime. Their sentences will depend on what they and the other prisoner choose. Here are the possible outcomes. If both stay silent, each serves 1 year in prison. If prisoner A stays silent, but prisoner B confesses, A gets 10 years while B goes free. If prisoner A confesses but prisoner B stays silent, A goes free and B serves 10 years. If both confess, they each serve 5 years. Now, let's think about this from prisoner A's perspective. If prisoner B chooses to stay silent, A's best move is to confess. A goes free instead of serving 1 year. If prisoner B chooses to confess, A is still better off confessing, serving 5 years instead of 10. So, regardless of what prisoner B does, confessing always gives prisoner A a better outcome. Therefore, confessing is prisoner A's dominant strategy. The same logic applies to prisoner B. No matter what A does, B's best choice is also to confess. This is what we mean by a dominant strategy. It's a strategy that yields a better result for the player, no matter what the other player chooses. In the prisoner's dilemma, confession is the dominant strategy for both prisoners, even though mutual silence would have resulted in a better combined outcome. Interpretation: even though mutual cooperation staying silent would lead to a better collective outcome, each gets 1 year, individual rationality leads each to confess, because that strategy strictly dominates the alternative. This results in a suboptimal outcome 5 years each, which illustrates how dominant strategies can lead to social dilemmas. Thank you for watching the video. This video was developed by the Business Academy.